I'm gonna review the LoudCup. I mean, it's a pretty cool novelty item. This top lid that holds your drink, it's super flimsy. I mean, more of something that like you would get at like a state fair, not off Amazon. But I guess Amazon might be going that route. It does not seal very well, if you can see the gap. So when you blow on the horn, you have to push it down in order to keep it from distorting. So as like an everyday drink cup that you want to use, no.
Drink. That is that. Drink. Drink, drink, drink. This side. Now, what do you do with it?
Is this a whistle?
Blow into it.
Okay, I just got my new cup in the mail. It's called the LoudCup. You gotta hear this. Ready?